Have a look inside, there aren't many left. Did you see them? Okay, let's have a look. What have we got here? Dinner party. Dinner party. Now this is exactly what it says. So, it's a great activity where you ask your children to help you lay the table. If you can use a tablecloth. If you haven't got a tablecloth, I used to use a sheet, a bed sheet. And if you've got some candles, put the candles on there. Nice cutlery, some posh glasses, and sit down with your children and your family. And even get the children involved in cooking as well, and cooking and laying the table. And have a lovely dinner party. Play some beautiful classical music in the background. And have a dinner party with your children. And have napkins as well. Encourage your children to eat with their knives and forks and use napkins. Okay, dinner party. Next one. What have we got here? Den building. Now we had den building, which was indoors. This is outdoor den building. So you may be lucky enough to have a garden where you can use items to help build dens outside. So it could be leaves, twigs, branches, tarpaulins, sheets, anything that you can have for outside. Really good activity for children to explore being outside and using natural resources. So that's our second one, and our last one. It's again an outside one, planting and gardening. So getting children involved in doing some digging, planting seeds. It's a great time of year to be planting. You may even have some potatoes that are chitting. So potatoes that are chitting, that you're starting to see them rooting, little shoots coming out. Plant them in some soil about a foot down, and then from one potato you could get a crop of 5, 6, 7, even more from each one potato. Now, things that grow nice and quickly for children are cress and also runner beans. So if you want children to see, obviously young children are quite impatient, you want them to see something happening straight away. So I would recommend a runner bean in a clear plastic bag or in a paper towel with a wet piece of cotton wool, and then the children can actually see it start to germinate. Once you've got the roots in, then you can pop it in some soil. Okay, so there are 3: planting, gardening, dinner party, and outside den building. Okay, enjoy all of these activities and have fun together. There aren't many left. Okay, until soon, bye.